we're going to have a segment right here that I'm really excited about, where we're going to be talking about artist spotlight, and that's for people who have been successful inside the eBay community, people who've been able to make it work for themselves. And I'm going to be able to read some of these right here. So let me go into it. And yeah, we can go into some of the winners right here. Today I'm gonna choose two winners that I'm really excited about. Not winners, but they're winners in their own circle where they've been making things happen for themselves. They've been consistent. They've been making the sales. Look, if they can do it, you can do it. These things are really good. I'm really excited to read this segment right now to you about people are able to make it happen to themselves. And the cool thing about having this segment is that everybody gets inspiration off of this. Everybody can know that they can do it. You can reach out to these people to figure out how they're doing it. But also the cool thing about it is that every single day that we're having these live streams, we're having new testimonies in here about people who are making the sales for themselves. So that way, no one could ever doubt anything that we're doing who's not part of the initiated like us, who's not part of our movement, who's not part of the community. It can get to a point where every day we're having this and we're having these testimonies where the proof is already in the pudding. All right, fine. You don't have to. I always say you don't have to believe what Corbellic is saying at all. But right, we already have the numbers, and we have the members who are already making these things happen for themselves. And if they can do it, you can do it. Like, what could you do with an extra $2,000, $3,000 in your pocket? Right? I could think about a bunch of things that I could do about it. So let's get into it right now, so I can share some of these great people with you. All right, let's see here. The first one that I'm going to start off with is we have Lee here. Make sure that we have this fine. Just making sure that we're good. Oh, perfect. Okay. So we have Lee here who wrote in the community. She wrote that her buy it now sales are picking up with at least one pretty much every day now. Sent one out the door today that she was reluctant to see go, especially at the price that they countered with her offer, but she accepted it. And that's really important too, because you're going to make more money once you're open to offers. So I'm about to give you game right now, or elite gems right now. If you're here right now to listen, be open to the offers. Don't be sad about it because we're not a storage facility, but also be open to the opportunity, because what's going to happen, eBay is going to see that you're open for business. eBay treats our store like it's a brick and mortar. And if they see that your store light is open and you're not like waiting long, or you're not declining offers, or you're not even around to accept an offer, then they're not going to give you the opportunity to make more offers. So what happens is in the algorithm, as soon as you accept the offer, even though it doesn't feel good, I like to accept them because I know that what eBay is going to do, they're going to know I'm open for business, and they're going to give me more offers even that day. All right. So that's a gem right there. And check this out. She says this. She goes, especially at the price that they counted her offer, but she accepted. She says her ego had to go out the door with it. But to balance that out, just minutes ago, she got paid for a buy one, get one free sale for the total of two pieces. The total was $175, which they got for $92. They are very happy about it, and I am very happy about it. But the best part is that both of these are part of my daily 1 minute timer pieces. She says $92 for literally 2 minutes of work. I can live with that. She's got $100 for 2 minutes of work. Okay. These are the things that we're talking about. It doesn't need to be polar bear hairs. It doesn't need to be all these different things of what you're thinking about that all add up into so many hours or so many times in your day. It could just be simply broken down into this. And you can see these are the pieces right here that she created. If I'm able to open it. Oh, that's fine. But you can see them right there. And this is just a great story because I was able to work with her. I was able to tweak a couple things onto her account. and just working with her on a one-on-one, and it's already paid off. So her having a one-on-one with me, it's already paid her to have the one-on-one, and she's already been making the money back. The other day over the weekend, she was able to have 42 sales, as we were able to read the other day. But this is just something that was as recent as this morning that she wrote, and that's just great to see right there, because if she can do it, you can do it. She had no experience prior to starting off in the community, never painted, and they're already making $100 for 2 minutes of work. Or you could be in your mind thinking that your ego's getting in the way, and you're not even making $100 for an hour, 2 hours. You're taking forever thinking that it matters, and it doesn't matter, because you can see how loose the artwork is. But people want to buy that authenticity from you. You can look right there at the type of artwork that she created. It's very beautiful, it's very minimum, and it's very loose. It only took her, she timed herself where she's playing the game of making the money. And then the thing is, how it works is for her, how she's creating in her work shifts when she's doing this, by the time that it sells, and when it did sell, it's passive income for her, because she's already created that maybe a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and she's forgot about it because she's been creating more. So when that sells, cool, it's already in my inventory. I kind of forgot about it because I've already been making more artwork since then, and that's passive income. And the cool thing is like when I go on vacation, when I go out of town, I'm still able to sell pieces, and it's passive income for me. My store, my inventory is still always working for me where I could be making sales. So I just wanted to show that on there. That was great work, Lee. Thank you for sharing that. And I have one other additional person who, this is a great story. I had a one-on-one meeting with her yesterday, and I told her the tweaks and changes that I'll implement into your store. I say, I promise you, things will turn around overnight, because that's usually what happens. It doesn't take long. Most of the time when I go into your store and I could do a self-diagnose on your store, I can look underneath the hood. I'm able to make changes into your store where you can get sales overnight. You can make, you can see where the impressions change rapidly. It doesn't take long when it comes to eBay's algorithm. I was able to figure this out over the years. So that's why I say it's always beneficial for you just to set up a one-on-one meeting with me. It's in the classroom on a one-on-one for 1 hour. And I set up a program for you. All right. But here, let's break this down right here. Let's go into the next one. This testimony right here is from Rachel Stevens. She wrote this morning while we were on the live stream. Actually, she wrote this, and she goes, let me make sure I have everything there for you. She goes, one-on-one with Corbellic results. She goes, I had a 1 hour session yesterday at 4 p.m. Mountain Time. We had this yesterday evening. That's how quick it works. I had a meeting with her yesterday evening at 4 p.m. Mountain Time. He praised my dynamic sales campaign and offered other areas of improvement, such as ending other campaigns and creating specific ones for auctions, buy it now, and store sales. As of 5 minutes ago, I am $5 away from completely earning back the consultation fee. And it's all from new buyers. That's the most important part, because you can put yourself in a situation where you'll box your business in, or you can hurt your business thinking that you get good sales or decent sales, but they're always from the same collectors. I always try to put you in a situation they have new collectors, because once you have new collectors, you're able to diversify, and you're able to see how deep their pockets go, because you never know. That's where the marketplace goes. I never get hyped up off of selling to the same collectors. I always get hyped up about new collectors, and I want to put you in a situation to have new collectors. That's why I'm always able to collect new collectors by having different ones. And she said they're new buyers. She goes, she says that is a big freaking deal. And it happened in less than 24 hours. She goes, if you're thinking about it, just do it without being scared. Parentheses. I know you're saying Corbellic scared quote in your head right now. She goes, you won't regret it. The quote that she's talking about is, scared money makes no money. Scared money makes no money. Millionaires, billionaires, they become millionaires, billionaires not by themselves, is because they get mentorship, they get coaching, and they get advice on implementation on how to get there, how to do the shortcuts. You could, I'm not saying that you can't get there, but it's a difference between taking the shortcut, investing in yourself, investing in your knowledge, and taking the shortcut compared to wasting time, money, thousands of dollars, and being burnt out years later on learning of what you can have today and invest in yourself. I always talk about that. That is the secret to the universe. That is also the secret how rich people stay rich. They're like, oh, they always get rich. Yeah, because they invest in themselves, they invest in their knowledge, and they invest in the relationships. They invest in coaching, they invest in knowledge of things. These are the things that I always talk about, and it comes back to you. So for her, she's already gotten back the investment of having a one-on-one with me in just less than what, 12 hours? It's up to you. It's up to you. I love stories like this because I always tell people it can turn around overnight. It can turn around very quickly for your account because there's certain things that you might be missing. If you think you're missing something, hey, then how long do you have time to waste? These are things that I think about in my own life. Yes, I could probably get on YouTube and I could probably look at a video on how to do plumbing and how to do whatever, or I could just save myself the time and money and I could hire a plumber. That way I could do things in my business, in my life that actually generate more money for me to hire the plumber. These are the things how you need to think. My mother always told me when I was younger, these are penny for pound thinking. Sometimes you want to save a penny that's going to add up to a pound later. It's going to, I don't know, add up to a pound later into your life, into your time, into your money, into different things. Don't do this for yourself, right? You need to circumvent things. You need to do things that's going to add up into whatever makes the money for you in your career. These are the things that you need to focus on, right? You need to focus on things like that that can improve your life. If not, then you're just going to always be in this circle of low frequency and being broke. Save yourself the time. Invest in your career, invest in your business. All right. If you feel like there's something that needs to be looked at, let me look into it for you. All right. Let me help you. Help me help you. All right. So I just wanted to share those two stories right there. That's very inspiring. Thank you, Lee. Thank you, Rachel. Hey, you've been putting the work in. You also put the work in by investing into yourself. And you see the results came. It already paid for itself. And you're going to get more sales tonight. You're going to get more sales coming up in this weekend. And you're going to be booming. Let's get to it. Let's get back to it. And there we have it right there. That's the end of the video. Like I said, you don't have to be a traditional artist. You can do this for yourself. You can start making money as early as next week. You can have everything mapped out and set up for you. Click the link below. Join us in the eBay art community so you can do this for yourself. But if you're not interested, then that's fine too. Just leave me a like on this video. Let me know that you appreciate the art that we're creating and the cool stuff that we're talking about and that you're vibing with it. Hey, that means the world to me as well. All right, I'm going to check you out on the next video.